Today is Thursday, February 14th. This is a 1972 Buick Riviera clock for my friend Michael Burke in Maryland. I'm going to go ahead and do a functional validation test now that it's fully assembled. Unit is connected to power. I'll go ahead and strike the continuity, activating the solid state motion, original movement. And here is our fully functional incremental movement clock. With the original tick 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 sound. Today is February 14th. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 parts for the 1967 to 1976 Cadillacs and the Buicks. Thank you very kindly.